So, if getting out of bed feels like opening a rusty hinge, this one's for you. I'm reviewing Joint Genesis. Ease stiffness, boost mobility, protect your joints over time. Does it actually help? Let's break it down. What is it? Joint Genesis is a daily dietary supplement aimed at joint health. Unlike painkillers that mask discomfort, it's designed to target root causes: low joint lubrication, weakened cartilage, chronic inflammation.
How does it work?
Healthy joints rely on three things: strong cartilage, slippery synovial fluid, calm inflammation. As we age, fluid drops, inflammation rises, and cartilage takes the hit. Joint Genesis aims to rebalance by hydrating joints, protecting cartilage, dialing down inflammatory stress. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, the lubricant molecule for cushioning; Boswellia serrata, an Ayurvedic anti-inflammatory; ginger extract, antioxidant support for comfort and movement; turmeric curcumin, well studied for joint inflammation and cartilage support; plus supportive vitamins and plant compounds. Benefits people report: less morning stiffness, easier walking and bending, better comfort during activity, long-term joint support with steady use. Pros: natural formula with research-backed ingredients, targets causes, not just symptoms, simple, once daily routine. Cons: results vary, it's gradual. Think weeks, not days, typically sold online.
Not for pregnant or nursing women without medical guidance?
How to take it: usually 1 capsule daily with water. Stay consistent. Pair it with a balanced anti-inflammatory diet, walking, yoga, swimming, and good hydration. Side effects: generally mild. Some people notice brief digestive upset. Avoid if you're allergic to any ingredient.
Always check with your doctor, especially if you use prescription meds or have health conditions.
Who might benefit? Adults over 40, anyone with joint discomfort, or folks easing back after strain. Not for kids.
And get doctor approval for complex conditions.
Timeline: many notice changes in 2 to 4 weeks with better results over time. Final verdict: if you want a non-habit forming, natural approach that supports lubrication, cartilage, and inflammation control, Joint Genesis is worth considering. Just commit to steady use. If you try it, buy from the official site for authenticity and guarantees. Move smarter, feel smoother.